In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the marketing material that Elevate Pass provide for you and also their ad portal. So the first thing we want to do is I can come to this button here that says Learn More, and you can see there it says there is more market material you can use, like banners and sales pages. You can get to it from there, but you can also, if you look on the left hand side, you'll see that it says promotions. So you click on any one of those and it will bring you to this page. Now, before we go into actually creating a page, we want to click on this bit here that says social media banners. Okay, so we click on this, it says see all the banners. Now what that does is it opens up Google Drive, and you've got Elevate Pass, educational products, and Coin Friend. So what I want to do is go to Elevate Pass. So I'm going to double click on that. That's going to open up all the banners. So these are the size banners that you can use, and I'm going to choose one that's inside this 728 by 90 range. So we'll double click on that to open it. Here you've got all the banners. They've got some GIF ones here, but they're MP4s, so you can't actually load them up and use them inside Elevate Pass's ad portal, but you can use them obviously on social media and YouTube and things like that. So I'm just going to choose one of these banners. So I'm just going to double click on one, and it opens the banner up. It says build your online income. So that one will do nicely for me. That will start, and I need to download that to my computer. So if you come up in the right hand corner, you'll see that there's this down arrow, and then when you hover your mouse over it says download. So we're going to click download, and then all we're going to do is we're going to download that to our PC so we know where it is. And I click on save. So there I've downloaded the banner. So I can close that part of it. Now what I want to do is come back over to Elevate Pass. And this time I want to create a tracking link so I can track to see whether I get any traffic or any sales from this banner. So I click on this bit that says manage funnels. And I'm going to choose a sales page. Okay, so these are pre-made for you. You can personalize one, but I'll cover that in another video. But I'm going to use a sales page, and I'm going to create a unique tracking link. So I'm going to click on that. Here's the tracking bit that you put in there. So if you see, if I type in there, it puts it down here. So whatever I put in there, so if I wrote video, you'd see video goes on the end. So this is going to be a unique tracking link. So I'm going to do this. You can't do spaces. So I'm going to do the size of the banner, which is 728, and then I'm going to do underscore 90. And then I'm going to do underscore 1. So this is the first banner I've advertised, and it's their one that I'm using. And then all I need to do is to click on create. So that's created me a sales page, and then that refreshes the page. Then I want to come over to this tab that says sales page links. Click on that, and then down here you'll see I've got it here. Okay, so I'm going to copy that, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take that to a browser, and we're going to make sure it works. Because if you look right now, everything in these stats are all set to 0. Okay, so let's test to see whether the page works. So I load the page. So that now should register that there's one visit that's come to this page. So let's come back over to the sales page here. So this number should come in here, number 1. So we'll refresh the page. We have to come back on this tab that says sales page links. And as you can see, we know that link, that tracking link is working because there's a number 1 in there. So the next thing we want to do is to see, does the button work? Is it my referral button? So all I'm going to do is to test the button is I'm going to click on the button. That will take me over to the registration. I can see that it's working fine for me because it says your sponsor is Jeremy Rush, which is me. So I know that that's all working. So I can close that. I'll come back over to here, and now what we need to see is this button number will change from 0 and go to 1 as well. So we refresh the page, come back to this tab that says sales page links, and as you can see now we've got 1 visit and 1 click. Nobody's registered. Well, obviously I'm not going to register, and no purchases have been made. So I now know that this link is working fine. So now let's create the actual ad that will send traffic to this link here. So coming down the left hand side, I'm going to choose Ad Portal. Now I'm going to put in here the 728 by 90, and this is going to be Ad 1. From this drop down, I'm going to choose the size of the banner that I have, is that one, the 728 by 90. I'm now going to choose the actual file itself, the actual banner. To get the banner, click Open. And then in here, it says add URL. I'm going to pop that add URL in there. So that's everything done. Now I need to say how much I want to spend on my advertising. Well, you'll have an advertising balance up here. So all I need to do is to put an amount of how much I want to use for this banner. So I'm going to test run it, okay? And I'm going to put in 25. I'm going to spend $25 of my $200 balance that I've got for ads. And then I'm going to submit my campaign. Now, if I come down, as you can see now that that's gone down, the balance, and if I come down a little bit further, I've already got an ad already running. As you can see, I've got an ad here that says I put in $45, and this one's $25. This is the second one. This is the one I just created. And what I want to do is I'm tracking that. Once they approve the banner and approve the ad, I will start to receive traffic to it, and I will see if I get any sales from it, okay? So that will test out their banner. But, you know, what I would recommend is you create your own banner, okay? Create your own banner, because if you're using their banners, everybody else is going to be using their banners. Now, in another video, I'm going to show you how to create your own banner, which will be free for you to do, or I'm going to show you a website where you can actually buy some banners. And I'm also going to show you how to set up a customized sales page, okay? Because if you look down here and I go to my manage funnels and I look here, my sales page links, I think I've got this one here is a customized one. So I'm going to copy that. So click on those two there, copy that just to show you it, pop that in there. So as you can see that this page has got my video on it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a generic video. I'm going to remove my picture, remove the Inner Circle VIP training program, and I shall do a video that anybody can use to advertise on a sales page. Of course, you can make your own video up if you wish, but that's a unique sales page. And that page that I created here, which is that one there, I've got 87 visits, I've got 7 people clicked on the button, 3 people registered, and 1 person made a purchase. So the tracking system's working great. Now we want to see whether their ad portal works, to whether we're going to pick up any business through their ad portal. But I'm also going to show you in another video, if you want me to, is how to get traffic, where to get traffic from at low cost, and how to get traffic so that you can build your affiliate side of any business. Because you earn more money if you can advertise. And you don't have to go and tell your friends and your uncle, your auntie and the dog down the road and all that. You don't have to do none of that. All you need to do is to create sales pages and landing pages and send traffic to it. And if you want me to teach you how to do that, leave me a comment below this video. Let me know what it is you want me to teach you on, and I'll be happy to make those videos. If you want to join Elevate Pass, below this video you're going to find a link. Click on that. It's going to be my YouTube tracking link, this one down here. So you'll add to my statistics down here, and create yourself a free account. Have a look round, and you can start this business as little as $10. Obviously, if you only put in $10, you're not going to get much of a passive income on that, but you will get a passive income. The idea is to build up your packages. You can either compound them and recruit, or just have a passive income. It's entirely up to you. Click the link below to create your free Elevate Pass account. I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.